everyone, welcome to Tech Assist. In today's video, I will teach you how to create a Nintendo account on your device. First, in order to sign up, you need to go to a web browser. On top, there's a search bar, type www.nintendo.com. Once you land on a profile page, go to your upward right hand side and on top there is a login and sign up. So tap on it. Now under this you have login and sign up again. Already have an account, you can tap on login. If you don't have an account, tap on sign up. So in order to create a Nintendo account, first you'll need to enter your date of birth. So select the month, or select a day or a date and select your year. So after you finish selecting or entering your date of birth, tap on submit. Next you'll be directed to create a Nintendo account. So if you have any of these following accounts such as Facebook, Google, Twitter or Apple account, you can, and if you don't want to use or if you don't have any of the following social site, you can always use the following information from here. So as I don't want to use it, so I'll enter my information here. So enter your nickname or create a nickname. Now enter your email address. Now create a password. Now again retype your password or confirm your password. So the date of birth is already entered. Now select your gender, country or region of resident is already entered. If you want to change it, you can tap on this arrow icon and you can select any one of the following country you like. After you finish entering your personal information, and now you'll be able to tap on submit. So tap on it. So as you can see that I need to enter a verification code. So the verification code will be sent to me by my email. And here you can see that I got my verification, so simply copy it. So if you don't receive any verification code or if you by mistakenly deleted it, so tap on resend verification code. So now after you finish entering your verification, tap on verify. So here you can see that my Nintendo account is created. Now scroll down and after you finish reading the statement, tap on OK. And here you can see on the profile page on the right hand side on top there is my username, and this is how you can create your Nintendo account on your device. That's all for today's video and I hope the video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.